playing Fun Monkey Horror. Oh my god, I'm gonna be playing Fun Monkey Horror with my friend Mason, bro. Yeah, probably. I don't really know though. DevTown. That was no DevTown, bro. DevTown, bro. I remember when we played that, bro, with Jaden. I remember when he always used to do that, so I started screaming at the top of my lungs. I'm gonna have to put a headphone warning. Bro, I have to put a headphone warning on my video now. Because of yours. Stupid self. Mason, I hate you. Where are you at? I'm at the watchtower. Oh, you're up there? I forgot. We're gonna have to find him, though. Oh, yeah, I remember going up there. Bro, remember when the monster literally crawled up there, bro? Oh. Yeah, I don't remember them being very fast, Mason. Oh. Yeah, think. Get on here. Get on the orange roof. I remember. Me too. I'm geeking. That black thing? Oh my god, I'm scared! Ah! Press on your light. Press A. Get your light back. Don't press A again. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's. You can't have a gun. There's no guns. No, that's gun. You try to do. You have to do this. You have to do this for scissors. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I meant. I'm have to. Uniter! Hey, you moved that thumb and I saw it. Mason, what the hell? I hate you. I know I am. Ah, I'm up! Is it there? I threw my controller by accident. I hate you.
The pair have since become unlikely friends, and even when Mark's wife, it's a traumatic experience.
Yeah, but you have to go in the orange house. When we start chasing us, bro, you can literally just. Bro, Mason, you left me. Bro, you're gonna take forever and leave. Oh. Bam! You have a long cord or not? It's gonna be hard.
So I sing the Bee Gees hit song "Stay Alive." Ideal tempo for chest compressions during CPR, which is between 100 to 120 beats per minute. And the title makes it easy to remember.
Why would I do that now? Look, we could bait him out. A different map. How about that?
It's obviously a very stressful situation.
Alright, come on. No, we don't.
as it did.
Oh my.
Thanks to a fake
One with the moon crushes you? Nah, that one's boring. Right, all you do is run. You don't even get to fight a monster or whatever. I wanna do a different one, bro. Can we do forest? Bro, come on. No Fun Monkey Horror kind of sucks, not gonna lie, bro. Cross space, bro, they only added brain rot. I'm about to join it. No, I'm not. I'm not in.
including TB or hepatitis B or C, serious lung infections, skin cancer, blood clots, and low blood cell count. In people taking
I'm in, faggot.
serious infections, increased risk of death, lymphoma, other cancers, and major
What's your name?
events have occurred.
Mason.
What the?
Wait, guys.
Who are these other
Wait,
people?
guys.
Wait, what? What the heck? Why are you in my? Why are you in our? Why
We
are you
literally
in our
were just
thing?
in this code. We were just playing Deathtown.
Alright, everyone come here. Everyone come here. Everyone
Wow,
come here.
go, follow him, follow him.
Come.
Follow me, guys.
Bro.
Wait, do you want to do sewers? Oh, do you want to do sewers?
Yes, bro, let's play
No, let's all
swords.
do sewers.
Mason, yeah, let's play
No,
swords.
but wait, guys, wait.
Bro,
Wait,
Mason.
one friend. Wait for one friend. Wait for one friend.
No, wait. Mason,
guys,
wait, man.
Guys, wait, man.
Mason, wait, man.
Mason, bro.
Wait,
Bro.
guys, wait.
Wait,
Guys,
wait. Stand next to each
Guys,
other.
guys,
How
guys,
do you
wait,
know
guys.
about DM?
Because it's our name.
Diego Mason.
Oh, fair enough, yeah, bro. Our code is DM, on always DM. Right, we're waiting for a friend. We're waiting for our another friend. So guys, can you come?
Even Big Scary is DM. Even Gorilla Tag is Big Scary.
Innit, bro?
Yo, can we just go on sewers?
Yeah, wait, we gotta wait for his friend now.
No, we're gonna wait one.
Random kids are in DM to play with them, come on.
Y'all wanna take a group photo?
Yo, it's here, guys. Guys,
Yeah.
I found him. Where is he?
Yeah.
I want to take a group photo.
Let's not take a group photo. Y'all just like 3 random people. I don't know what we just meant. Alright, my turn to take the photo. It's my turn first.
Right, take the photo then.
Are y'all all gonna get next to each other? Well, you don't have to. Y'all could do a pose. But you can't be right there. You can't be right there. You have to go back there. You can't cover nobody either.
Right.
Oh shit.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Ah! I'll grab Oxen first.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting to take photos. Wait. Let's wait.
You did it, bro.
Bro, you messed it up! It takes a second.
Alright, listen.
Oh, just
Come on, let's go to
guys,
sewers.
come on.
Let's go to sewers, bro.
Alright, come.
Oh, I'm
Alright, guys, come on.
Guys, we need to go find John Polo. Where in the hell is John Polo? John Polo. Everybody go.
Hey, guys, let's keep it family friendly, man. I'm making a YouTube video.
You know what I say? A penny a day makes you not
What's your
gay.
YouTube account? Wait.
Kit Kat VR, Kit Kat VR. It's it has a picture of a cat. Yeah, it's a picture of a cat.
Kit Kat VR, mate. I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
Just go straight. Just go straight.
That's dogs.
Keep going straight. All right.
Me and Mason are great school friends. So,
Alright, Kit Kat.
Hey, same with me and Easton.
I post this. We'll watch it. I'll watch it and subscribe.
oh my god. It's a picture of an orange cat.
Guys. Alright, guys. Next corner, guys. Just wait, cause I've subscribed to this guy's channel.
You don't have to right now. You can just do it after we get off VR or something.
Wait, where's over? Where's over? Oh,
Yo, look at the gang rolling out, bro.
but this is like the
Guys,
movie.
wait.
This is
Right, guys, wait. Let me subscribe to this guy. Kit Kat. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a picture of a cat. No spaces between Kit Kat and space for VR.
Oh, Easton, find it and then send a photo to me and I'll subscribe it.
Wait, what color is the monster?
Kit Kat.
It's a netbot. It's a netbot.
It's red. It's like a massive red rope. Yep.
It looks like John Polo.
Hey, buddy, bro, you got one.
Huh?
Bro, you got 1K subscribers.
No, that isn't me. That is me. It's like a picture of a cat.
Yeah, bro, I got you.
You gotta scroll down.
He sent me the photo.
Gotta scroll
He
down.
sent me a photo and then I'll subscribe it.
I make W videos, bro.
Innit? What country are you? Wait. What country are you from? America.
America. Oh, I forgive her.
Come on, guys.
USA. America, United Kingdom.
Are you subscribed?
United Kingdom.
Yep, bro, I subscribed. Thank you.
But he said send the photo so you can send it to porn.
I don't think I found it. I don't know.
Ah, that way. What the colour cat is it then? Orange.
Mason, you
And
good?
he said it's the colour cat orange.
Yo, you good?
Yes, I just hit my hand.
Right? Oh, yeah, boys, come back. Boys, come back, is there?
Shit.
No. Oh, shit.
Run.
Sorry,
Guys, look upstairs. Guys,
I know, it's
guys,
pranking y'all.
Guys, if it was behind us, you would see it. It's got a really, really, really red glow. You can see it from like anywhere.
Wait, do you mean like that red glow?
There's no red glow.
You'd be able to see
Really
it.
joking. Ah, do you mean a red dildo?
Yep.
Yeah. Bro,
No saying weird words, guys. I'm making it a video. Literally.
In it, bro.
Oh, sorry.
In it, bro.
Sorry, can I wear my pants?
Bro, stop. What? Bro, these kids are...
Everyone stop in it. I'm gonna have a wee. Man, I need a shit one sec.
You're gonna leave, bro?
No, what's this?
Yeah.
Yo. Pause.
I just shot in the office tin.
Oh yeah, today at school,
Bro,
bro.
stop, man.
There's this new girl, bro. She thinks she's so cool. I called her the Gremlin from the Lord of the Rings, and then she flicked me in the eye. I'm like, what the hell, bro? She thinks she's so cool.
Flicked me in the head. She flicked me in the head for no
Nah,
reason.
bro, guys, everyone shoot up. I swear I heard someone bang. Did someone hit someone? Oh, did someone hit someone? I swear I heard someone bang.
Bro, all I heard was somebody take a humongous fire or something, bro.
Yo, you guys are from America, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're from Saginaw.
Hey, don't get up the city.
Are you guys like not scared of like getting school shootings or anything?
Not really. It's pretty uncommon. I mean, pretty rare.
It is kind of rare, but like,
Well, because if I was in America, I'll be shitting.
They bro just teleport on my tweaking.
He probably.
Right, someone check the corners, bro. I'm not checking.
Bro, I feel like we're one of the.
Let's go right.
you know what we say? Turn right a day, be less gay.
You turn right, you're less gay. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah. You know what they say? A penny a day.
Bro, we're ending this video when we see the monster or like something, bro. I like have to.
Guys. If you see the monster, guys, just give me my money to the monster, bro.
Exactly, yeah. We're gonna like, just give me my money.
Oh, should we give them money right now? Should we do it?
Everyone, let's do it. Everyone,
Just give them my money. Just give them
Yeah! Yeah!
You.
Mister, you do it, you do it.
My money.
Yeah! Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Yeah!
You.
Just give me my money.
Oh, y'all know what we're gonna do, bro. The monster!
Why you guys so slow? Why you guys so slow?
A penny a day, keep the monster. Yo.
you see the monster?
I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop.
No.
I can't stop. 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 I can't stop.
You slow ass shit.
Are you bitch ass mean? Oh, I need a break.
Bro needs a break.
Bro, I'm scared.
Very.
Have y'all ever seen the monster?
Ow! Ow!
Yes, I
Ow! Hit my bollocks.
Right, that's it.
RGB, are you sure you hit your top of your bollocks? I hit my bollocks.
How scary is
Is
it?
it true that you had a boner, then it hit you in the top of the bollocks?
How scary is the monster?
It's scary, bro.
Wait, hello.
How fast?
The monster is scary. He's really fast, really fast. You can't outrun him.
Stop the cat.
I'm not. You
cannot
not
run.
capping, bro.
You gotta be like, you gotta be
This
this
way.
way.
You gotta be far away from him if you wanna outrun him.
Well, I'm gonna be Flash.
Yep.
That's where we need
A train.
a
A train.
save our energy.
Yeah,
No,
the monster, bro. The monster. Come on, me. Wait,
I
sorry.
Alright, someone go to corner. Where is this monster, bro?
Wait.
Girls?
Bro, I like how I can really have to go to the
Everyone in
bathroom.
the conga line. Everyone in the conga line now.
I'm in
Oh my god, no.
Conga.
Where did Mason go?
Conga, make my willy longer. Make a pee longer.
Mason!
Conga. Make my willy longer.
Yeah.
Where you go? Oh, you're back there. You're slow.
No. Corner. Hello?
Oh. Conga. Make my pee.
Make my willy longer.
Run! Guys, that's where I'm ending the video. Oh my god.